Creating an Ecwid website is straightforward, as the platform offers tools to easily build an online store. Here's how you can do it. Sign up for an Ecwid account. Visit Ecwid and sign up for a free account using your email or social login. Set up your store information. After signing up, you'll be directed to the Ecwid dashboard. Enter basic information, including your store name, business type, and currency. Add products to your store. In the dashboard, click Catalog Products. Click Add New Product and enter product details such as name, description, price, images, and variants. Customize your storefront design. Go to Website in the dashboard to customize your store's appearance. Choose a layout, adjust colors, fonts, and upload your logo. Ecwid automatically generates a mobile-friendly site for you. Set up payment and shipping options. In Settings, Payment, connect payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe. Then configure shipping methods under Shipping and Pickup. Publish your website. Once your store is ready, click Website, Launch Store to publish your site. You will receive a unique Ecwid URL or can integrate your store with your own domain.